Hello everyone, what if I told you there is a chemical in your brain which is responsible for love, trust and even your deep connections? Yes, it even boosts naturally, and now I will be telling you what's the name of it. That is oxytocin. Yes, you have heard me right. Oxytocin is going to be boosted or released in our brain naturally, and we can just practice some habits so that we can even release this more often. So let me tell you what is the benefit of oxytocin firstly and how it is released in our brain. Oxytocin हमारे brain में एक region होता है hypothalamus, उसके through release होता है. Then it is making our relationships and even our emotional bonds much more stronger. So when we are talking about the oxytocin, it is firstly released by a particular region in our brain, that is hypothalamus. और जब भी ये release होता है तो emotionally stabilization ज़्यादा feel होती है. फिर हम और क्या रिलीज कर पाते हैं अपना स्ट्रेस बहुत इजीली. वी आर मोर एम्पैथेटिक एंड दीज आर द थ्री मेजर रोल्स विच इज डन बाय द हेल्प ऑफ ऑक्सीटोसिन एंड इट इज रिलीज्ड नेचुरली. नाउ व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, I really need to mention that what is the neuroscience fact which is connected to this. People are having much better romantic relationships, have great friendships when oxytocin is higher in level. Then we are able to do much more teamwork easily, have more social bonds just because we are able to trust much better. All thanks to oxytocin. So now we will be discussing how to boost oxytocin naturally. We can do any act of kindness which can help us to make this oxytocin release in our brain. Then we can do deep conversations which are meaningful, and we can do two things which can even help us in the better confidence building and even have more impact when we are doing the conversations, that is eye contact. Yes, then we are talking of then any kind of physical contact is able to boost the oxytocin in our brain, and these are some habits which you can practice to make oxytocin release naturally in your brain. And if you know someone who need to know this or who need to boost oxytocin naturally, you can share this reel with them and let me know in the comments. That tag someone you trust the most, and thank you for watching this. Stay tuned.